after 2 hours on day 1 and 1 hour on day 2, around Thanksgiving, second day, box 1 is done with. So then show me what you get. Closer. Can you get closer? Alright, there we go. That's what box. Put it down, put it down. Oh, okay. Alright, now we're going on to box 2. This is day 3. So total 3 hours over 2 days for box 1. Alright, put it down, and can you open the box 2? Take your box 2.
Which box is that?
They should be named.
Name.
Check for. No, I don't think that is box 2. But where is your? I think this one is box 1, right? This is empty one. No. See. Let's really try the right box
1, 0. Almost there.
2. Can you? Hold on. Let's pause it.
Look for the open one. Yep, this is box.
Then take out everything.
Dad, this is box 3.
You can take those out too. Keep them out. Or packet, please. So okay. Nothing more in the box. Empty box. Okay. All right. Put it in the bag. Okay.
Stand back. Okay. Both packets. Which packet does he want me to open? Both of them? I think both of them. For that.
Probably. Because there may be mixed.
This is on the big packs.
Are these extras?
Yes.
Put them in the boxes.
Wait a minute. What's this?
Small pieces.
What is this? You open this. That's small. One.
Oh, this is the rubbers for something. Keep them in here.
Could you help me with the rubber bands? Rubber bands, it is English rubber band flavor. I think English rubber band flavor. Me, Nana. Where is your hand? Ah!
Deep out. That's it. That's it. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Okay. There you go. You got all the parts ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
And a ball.
Okay. Get up.
Ball.
Right, then I'm gonna pause now. And we can, when you're done, I'll start again. Okay?
How do I pause, Nino?
I'm pausing it. That's okay. Go ahead. Continue working. So this is box packet 2, right? In box 1.
Box 2. The box. Packet 1.
Packet 1 అయిపోయింది కదా. So day 3 and day 4, after what దగ్గర most of packet 2 is done, and this is where we are. 2 hours.
Number 1 or 2.
But day 3 and day 4 is a repeat, because you messed up something. You had to repeat day 3 again.
And day 4.
You did the same thing on day 4, and you're at 103 parts. So total parts are 998. Okay. Alright, moving on to technically day 5, but day 4.
Rubber band.
Okay.
Used one.
Those are washers at the end of packet 2.
This is how it looks
After an hour on day 5. Can you come closer?
This is the first.
Go a little bit.
This is
all the...
I connected part 2 to part 1.
Alright, perfect.
Packet 1.
So let's start with packet 3, and it's day 5, and that'll be our 2 hours on day 1, 2 hours on day 2,
and here is
1 hour on
packet
3 hours,
like.
4, 5, 6, 7th hour.
This is how packet 3 looks.
Alright, after spending a couple hours on day 6 and about 4 hours today, Srutin, or 3 hours. You're supposed to be done in an hour today on day 7, but since you had to redo it due to one small mistake, you ended up 4 hours. So I ended up spending 4 hours to complete packet 3 of box 1, and now the marriage process, which will go into box 2. Alright, can you bring that close to them? We're down to the 200 piece. Get closer. Turn it on. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, that's the detail. Now the engine is all in, and the chassis is in. So now going to the marriage process in box 2. So basically spent an additional 3 hours because of one simple mistake.
And this is how
So it's a lot of backtracking and trying to fix. Good thing is we salvaged everything with stuff, dismantling all of it. Alright. So
and this is how box 2 will look like after it's done.
Yes sir. Alright. So let's get to box 2 after dinner. Alright.
Box 1.
That's total of box 1 with 3 packets. 1, 2, 3 packets. Now moving on to box 2 on day 8.
And that's packet 4.
4 and 5 both together, right? In box 2? Yeah. Alright, let's start with packet 4. Alright. Alright, after what, 3 hours on day 9, we're out of packet 4, and that's almost the final assembly. Right there with 2 more little pieces to go. So then, Jagara, Chiviju?
Wait. Can you wait, guys?
Come here, sorry. Alright.
Go there. Okay.
Alright. He's gonna bring that piece here. And then I think 5 or 8 marriage jaranga, Satan.
Hello.
Hey, get out of the way, please.
After 5.
Yeah, because you have to build the whole front part to marry each. Because now you're marrying the front and the back parts of it. Can you show it?
Like that, right?
Alright, that's end of packet 4 and box 2. Okay, okay, can we you open, and box 5 and we'll...
And this is box 1, and this is box...
half of box 2.
Half of box 2. Wait, I'm on packet 4.
After an hour on day 9 and 2 more hours on day 10, or down to the end of packet. After an hour on day 9 and 2 hours of day 10, packet 5 is almost done with few parts remaining. We're at page 415, Sutanwa?
No, 414.
414. And when does packet 5 end? 420, eh? 421.
20? Let me see.
20 or 21. Alright, making good progress. So we got like 8 more days to go, 500 more pieces to be built. 1920. 421.
Yeah,
420.
422.
422 starts packet 6. Okay. So hopefully you can wrap up for packet 5 and start packet 6 tomorrow.
But I can't cause
Oh, you got a problem now. Alright. Bring it close to show where we are. And with packet 4 and 5.
this is our
Turn.
problem.
Turn. Turn it on. I can show the whole piece. That's it close to then. Can you get back? And turn it on, turn it to the side. Alright, there we go. That's the detailed Bugatti.
Engine?
Turn to the left, turn to the left. Okay. This is the back. Now this gets married to the piece
This
down here, which will make the full chassis. Alright.
This piece.
Alright, as discussed or promised yesterday, after 30 minutes on day 10, we are down to the last step, 420 in the book, which is
No, not 420.
end of
Almost.
421. Okay, 421 ends. Okay, yeah, never mind.
No. Yeah, 421.
421 ends book. Okay, all right. So, and the finished product is. I guess it didn't change much from yesterday, right? Okay, no. Bring that here.
I'm not done yet.
Okay. Come here.
Tool pieces.
Come here. The camera is running. Sideways. Go back, a little back. Okay, all right. Don't. Okay, that's it. Okay. Alright, it is New Year's Day 2019, Jan 1st. After spending, when did you start, Sridhan? An hour?
No.
An hour, and you spent what? I think there was a half hour, yeah, which you correct. On day 11, after spending an hour, we're pretty much done with packet 6 from box 2. Now moving on to box 3, which has packet 7 and 8. And this is the end product of box 1 and 2, which is packet 1, 2, 3. So basically the marriage process is complete. The base is done. The box 3 talks about building the rear wings, rear body work.
This product, which is way too heavy for me to lift.
Turn to the side. This is a full base chassis.
And this is too
engine.
heavy for me to
Okay,
lift.
put it down. Alright, moving on to box 3, packet 7.
7.
Alright, after 2 more hours on day 12, we're down to 8th packet, so 7th packet is complete. And so that got the partial loop, the spoiler, the mudguard, rear mudguards, and this
Here's
is
the spoiler.
the rest of
Front
the
and back.
so packet 8. Packet 8 is pending already. Alright.
Tiffany. Here's the rear spoiler.
Okay. I paused it. After 1 more hour on day 12, packet 8 is almost done. He is at 6. What is it, Sridhan? 645.
This is how
So
it looks.
yeah, all the back is come.
Ultra heavy.
Pretty much back is come. Now it's just the interior and the seats and everything, the detailing. Alright, pausing it for the day.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
So basically after what we came at 9:30, 8:30 within downstairs kuch hota for 9:30, 9:45 after an hour 15 minutes and done with a box 4 hoda. Box 4 lo
No, 9.
box 4 has packet 9 and 10. Packet 9 is done. So an hour 15 minutes. So and you're at page 110, or I shouldn't say page, book 2 part 110. Alright.
No, no, wait.
Ah. Day 13, after an hour and a half into day 13, we're done with which box, which packet am I? Packet 10. Packet 10, and now moving on to the front body, lights and horseshoe grill. And what is the part number? 777 is done. 777. Right, now moving on to packet 11 from box 5.
Who's different? Oh, I know it's different. That pocket one.
Alright, after
Oh,
on day 13, yeah, you can complete. You can go. That's okay. On day 13, what పొద్దున ఎంతసేపమ్మా ఒక 1 hour and ఇప్పుడంత 1.5 hours, so 2.5 hours. That finished up box
11.
Box 5, packet 11, and onto packet 12. So at 866 right now. 65 completed, 866, and stopping for the day, hopefully. Andana, are you coming back and doing it?
That's
We'll figure it out.
all. Maybe. I don't know.
After Nanantra 2 hours, 2 hours on day 13. Shoot.
Oh yeah.
After 2 hours on day 13 and half an hour on day 14, you're done with what? Box 5, packet 11 and 12 in box 5. So now down to the last box and last packet in the last box. And and you're done till what? 9:30. Okay, and this is basically rims and tires. Okay.
I'm doing the tires.
Alright, try to get it done in half an hour, Sutan.
But sorry, you don't know how to do them. Is he doing it right?
I don't know. Alright, finally after an hour and a half more on day 14, the Bugatti, the masterpiece is ready and looking spectacular with the key on the side and pretty bag window. Alright, okay, the bag is going into the trunk.
And rear engine and this key to something really cool.
Okay. The spoiler. Wow, nice, amazing. Alright, cool. Perfect.